What do you guys? I am back with another video, and today I'm here at Shadow Designs, the one and only, the only person that touches my car, Nigel. And today, of course, we're installing my flipping coils. Let's go, baby, let's go. So I've been kind of keeping this a secret. The only reason why I'm really prioritized coils over a clutch was, if you guys can see, my fitment for some reason is stupid whack. Like, it's just poked. It's the top is like tucked in, but this side is perfect. So I wasn't really tripping about it, but yeah, since my alignment was straight, I wasn't really tripping about it. But like, I just wanted to get it done. If like, since I'm pushing more power, since like it just looks funky, and like I want to get wheels and all that, so I want everything to be straight. So that was step one, and that's what we did. So that's why we're here today. Nigel the GOAT, like I said, the only nigga that touches my car, who's allowed to touch my car. We got the coils, baby. Let's get it. So this is an unorthodox method, but I trust Nigel. He said, first things first, we got to remove this. We got to pop the trunk, remove all this.
So once you drop this, you're going to unplug these right here.
Yeah.
And then...
No, I'm just playing. There was something stuck. Something like a clip started floating around, like in my whatever the fuck that was. A clip was like floating around in there from when we installed the wing, and it was just pissing me off, and it was just a matter of time before we took it out. So that's what you just did real quick. But yeah, we about to install this real quick. All right, so we got that rear fitment. I can fit about like that's a terrible angle for that. I can fit maybe like 2 fingers, like completely 2 whole fingers. Let's see what it goes to. I low-key want to max out the coils on the low without like.
I think you should.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
You think I should?
For sure.
I low-key want to max them out, so I want to be slammed like a little cap. So in the back we had about 2 fingers. In the front we got like a 1 1/4, I guess. You feel me? So let's see what we can fit after. That's the front. That's the rear. And I got 2 85s on the rear. And I still have the stock ones. I got 2 55 35s. 2 85 35, 2 55 35s.
Stay hydrated, guys.
Thanks, Dad.
That's class. That's class.
Sir, beautiful. You can adjust at the top, right? Is that what that was?
Yeah, that's the damping.
Oh, shit.
This is the damping on the rear. Springs on the... Actually, I think these are the rear springs.
No, it's definitely the front springs. These are the rear because the spring and strut separate on the rears.
Oh, so this was like this.
That's the front. Yeah, that came like that. Yeah. I don't know what this is for, though. These are pretty. Say it with me. Ooh.
So you want to max them out?
I do want to max them out. I want to be slammed to the flipping floor. You understand me? I want to put a credit card underneath, and it can't get out. Wiggle, wiggle. You got it. You got it.
Yo, what is up with these sus-ass
And then we just watch it, man. We didn't say nothing crazy. You got it, partner.
and the words. Oh,
yeah. Yeah, let's get it. I was actually kind of nervous because this was the side that had the weird camber, so I'm glad it worked out.
Holding this shit like a trophy.
Straight up. Hold that shit up. Put your hand. Yup. I thought you just won like Gear of Wars or something. Oh, sledgehammer.
Nah, I wouldn't do that.
It took a little bit of shaking and baking to get out of there. So, what are you doing, man? Oh shit, that was intense. I'm not gonna lie to you. You seemed like just too natural with it, honestly. Oh, now you're going too far. Yeah, boy. That shit looking nice. We're having trouble like getting it in, but like Nigel's getting it in just nice, ain't it, Nigel? No, Nigel just had to lube her up real quick to fit the new spring in. She's adjustable, like I said, bro. We're gonna fucking
she's maxed.
Go to the floor right now. Maxed out right now. Hopefully my tires fit, obviously, but like we maxed out. I'm gonna get a slight camber in the rear, but not like a track camber. You feel me? Not like a crazy stance camber. But we outside. So Nigel done did that shit. Kind of was a hassle. I don't know why, but it just wouldn't slip in properly. But we got it. It's up. It's in there. We did that shit. I think we're maxed all the way.
Yup.
Yup. So he's still to put the wheel on. He's working on the other side right now. So yeah. How you feeling, Stormy? How you feeling? You got brand new legs. You got brand new knees. Brand new knees. You got them sport knees locked in. That's crazy. Would you consider them knees or legs?
Knees, for sure.
Knees, right? Nigel, would you? Legs.
If wheels are shoes, suspension's gotta be legs.
But then the tires are the tires are the legs.
But then what's the knees? If these aren't the knees.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna call them the knees. So Nigel's locking in because it took us a while to get that one done because it just took us. It just took us a while. He just wouldn't want to fit.
Damn, heavy ass wheel.
He just wouldn't want to fit. For some reason, he just struggled to just like slip in there. So
Took some time, you know, minor setback for a major comeback.
you already know what the fuck going on. Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh, fuck. No, I'm just playing. It's all good. It's all good. But he's about to go absolutely Luigi pit stop mode from Cars and get this shit sorted out. Wow, you can see my exhaust ring. That's just kind of cool. Out with the old. Oh. In with the new, you feel me? It looks nice, I'm not gonna cap. And from the engine bay, it looks dope as fuck too. Low-key a slight flex, you feel me? Some slight modifications, you know what I'm trying to say? Get some new these hoes. And this engine bay is looking kinda nice. Looking kinda nice. Got this one in too.
This in the car.
Okay, so we forgot to compare the other one, but like that's how that is. That's the difference. It's like a fraction, you feel me? Like definitely less than an inch, but
This one's maxed out.
and this one's maxed out, and that's how I want to be. I want to be maxed out. So, all right, we forgot to do the fronts, but that's the rears for y'all. And before I had H&R springs. I don't know if you guys remember, but the video's up. H&R springs on the rears. There they are. They're ready for sale. So, sucks to suck. You want to buy them? For your 86 sitting over there? For Shadow sitting over there? All right, peace, Shadow. Out with the olds, in with the new. Let's get it, baby. That's the old, that's the new, that's the old, that's the new, that's the old, that's the new. You feel me? That's the old, that's the new. That one right there, the blue one. Oh. Not you, bro. You're not that old, bro. Chill. I know your birthday coming up. We ain't that old, bro. All right, we're literally almost done. We got the shock in, we got the coil in. I think Nigel literally just finished lining it up. And he's zapping on the last couple bolts. And Stormy is certified track slammed. I do need an alignment. I will get an alignment this weekend. It is late. Tomorrow we're gonna like fine tune it, get like the proper adjustments, see if I need to go like change the numbers in the back, change numbers in the front. Right now I put 5 in the front and I put 7 in the back. See how tight that feels, see how aggressive that feels, or whatever the fuck, however it will feel. And then just do some more testing tomorrow and just see how it goes. But yeah. She's done, boys. The floating spaceship, bruh. She look crazy as fuck in the sky like this. But she's done. We're about to check the fitment in a second. And I'm glad because that actually fixed the issue. Look at that. It's flush now. Perfect. Whatever the hell it was, whatever was wrong with that other strut, which wasn't actually causing me problems, but visually is now fixed. That's crazy. So I'm hyped. It worked. All right, so we just finished up here. That is it. We got the coils and springs installed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow because that's when we'll do all the fine tuning and stuff. So it's been a couple days because a nigga's busy, but this is Stormy's fitment now, baby. Look at that shit, boy. She is snug like a bug. You feel me? She is in there like swimwear. You heard? Look at that. She only got like, that's not even a finger, bruh. Not even a finger. Like I said, I got stock wheels, stock wheels and stock tires. Those are 275/35s, and then snug like a bug in the rear, boy. I got complimented today by an M3 E90, talking about my fitment's crazy. I was like, thank you, dog. I almost kissed him, but I didn't say no homo after. But you feel me? He was cool. But yeah, that shit snug like a bug. That shit crazy. But yeah, we out here, me and Gabe. We outside. Gabe wanted to take some pictures. We're about to go to the beach. We're about to go to South Point. Y'all ever been to South Point? You're in Miami, bitch. You feel me? We outside though. Stormy looking so sexy. I want to take pictures, but like not really. But Stormy looking so nice. So nice. Snug like a bug in the fucking shoes, bro. Snug like a bug. So Gabe over here, man just copped this new Gen 86, bro. He's one of the only handful of people that I know that have the new Gen manual 86. Man trading a Tundra for this shit, bro. He drifts at 350, absolutely drift machine, but he got this. How do I get inside, bro? Absolutely stock. And then we got Luca over there. Look at him. Yeah. But look at this, bro. This shit's so clean. So clean. I mean, you got shit in it, but you get the idea. But it's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Then we got this fucker. Always late. Always late. This guy. Why do you have your stock fronts? Oh, I forgot.
We gotta put his.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say this right here, right now. Bilstein is 10 out of 10 coils, bro. When I mean like this is what I wanted out of coils, this is like exactly what I expected and what I wanted. I am slammed to the floor. I do scrape a little bit on certain things, but I'm gonna fuck. You feel me? Cause we outside. But that being said, Bilstein 10 out of 10. Anyone who wants Bilstein for their Supra, bro, highly suggest, bro. Like I haven't driven or been in a KW or whatever the fuck that pink yellow brand is, KW or whatever. But I highly recommend Bilstein. Supercar fucking material.